Quote Mr. Ramakrishnan, the investigation has revealed that a major reason for the stampede was the error in the announcement of the trains. When the arrival of the Prayagraj special train was announced at the platform number 6, the passenger got confused, and as Prayagraj Express was already standing at the platform number 14, many passengers thought that their train had been changed, which caused panic, and then the stampede began. The investigation has also revealed that due to the Kumbh Mela, the number of passengers going to Prayagraj on the weekend had increased a lot. But despite this, the railway administration did not make any additional arrangements. Neither additional security personnel were deployed nor a control room was set up to give correct information to the passengers. Arzu Seth is with me also to share more details. Arzu, as per the initial inquiry by the Delhi police, two important points have been covered, and in that no special arrangements is what given to be understood by the railway officials, and also the announcement change of the trains is also being cited as one of the very crucial and significant reason for the stampede to be breaking out, and these are very concerning as the railway ministry has so far not issued any a report so far, but there are in these agencies, either the Delhi police, which has separately investigated the matter, and then the RPF has done its own separate inquiry. One thing that cannot be ruled out is that the change of the announcement and change of the platform has led to these series of events, and also the mismanagement by the railway authorities. Share more details as to what you are picking up.
Well, the Delhi police preliminary report mentioned three reasons for the accident, and also that there are different team of the Delhi police which has been given the responsibility of the investigation. The first reason that the report hold is the excessive crowd, but the huge negligence in the passenger management. Yes, there was a huge crowd on that day. It is also being said that there were trains that were delayed, due to which there was the passengers of other trains also waiting on the platforms, and this is the biggest reason behind the stampede at the New Delhi railway station. Also, there was huge crowd of the passenger at the railway station, but there were no concrete arrangement were being made to handle it, and even it is also said in a report that around 1,500 general tickets were being sold every hour. So thousands of passengers gathered at the station due to the delay of the three trains going to Prayagraj, but there were not enough security personnel present to control the crowd. Yes, and the same was said by the eyewitnesses there also. They told us that there were very less police personnel who were there to manage the crowd. Also, there is second thing in the report which says that there was confusion due to the train announcement, and the passengers have started running, due to which so the investigation revealed that a major reason for the stampede was the error in the announcement. When the arrival of the Prayagraj special train was announced at the platform number 16, the passenger got confused as the Prayagraj Express was already on the platform number 14, and many passengers thought that their train had changed. The platform had changed from 16 to 14, and that's why which created the panic among the passengers, and they have started moving from one platform to the another altogether, and that led to the stampede. Also, the last reason that have been put up in the report, in the preliminary report, which says that there was announcement, the special arrangement were not made for the weekend and the Kumbh crowd, as the incident also happened on the weekend day. So there was a huge crowd, and especially when we see in the Mahakumbh Mela also, on the weekend days like on Saturday and Sunday, there are huge crowd which come to take a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam. So yes, they travel by the affordable mode of transportation, which is railways and roadways. So for that also there should be a special arrangement that should be done, but yes, the preliminary investigation says that no special arrangement was done for that, and the number of passengers going to the Prayagraj on the weekend day has increased a lot, but despite this, the railways administration did not make any additional arrangement, and neither additional security personnel were deployed nor the control room was set up to give the correct information to the passengers. So yes, and there is also, the team are, also searching the CCTV footage, and it is also being said that the strict action will be taken against those who are involved in the negligence which led to this stampede. So yes, this was a huge stampede. The negligence is there, but this is a report which is prepared by the official of the Delhi police. Also, there is a team which has been, commissioned to, investigate the stampede matters in stampede accident that happened in the New Delhi railway station by the railways. Also, so the report will become, and we'll see what that report is going to say, because in this report it is being said that there was a negligence of the railways because no special arrangement was being done. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right. In fact, Arzu, thank you very much for sharing these details and also adding more information as to what the preliminary report by the Delhi police that has been collated as per the information that we have sourced.